Hey guys, Andrew Koster with Louisiana Grills. Today we're at the Danson's Training Center, and in this video we're going to be going over part replacement and maintenance on your Louisiana Grills vertical smoker. So in this video we're going to show you how to remove and replace the auger and auger motor in your vertical smoker. We've already removed all of our internal components, the chimney and doorstop, flipped our smoker onto its top, and given ourselves access to our wires. So we're gonna jump right into removing our housing and get at that auger. The first step in removing your auger is actually going to be to remove the screws holding the housing in place. Once we've removed the housing, we can then go in and remove the auger bracket. There's two screws on each, the right and left side. Once you've removed those screws, the bracket will come off. So now that our bracket is out, we're gonna go ahead and disconnect our red and white wires there holding the motor. Again, just pulling it through the grommet of the housing. Now that the motor's been disconnected, we can pull the auger completely out of the system. Once we've done that, we have a shear pin held in place by a nut and an Allen screw. So our last step is going to be to disconnect the shear pin held in place by an Allen head screw and a nut. Now that we've disconnected the nut from our shear pin, we're just going to go ahead and pull the screw right on out. And then once the screw comes out, the motor will come right off of the auger. So now that we've had our motor and our auger disconnected, we can go about any repairs or maintenance that might be required, and then everything can be reassembled in reverse.